Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fiesta tail lights. First, open your trunk or tailgate to gain access to the tail light assembly. You will typically find 2 retaining screws or bolts that secure the light. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a small socket wrench, depending on the fastener type, to carefully loosen and remove these. This initial step is crucial for a smooth removal process. Once the retaining screws are out, gently pull the tail light assembly away from the vehicle's body. Be careful not to pull too hard, as the wiring harness will still be connected. Locate the electrical connector on the back of the light. It usually has a small tab you need to press or squeeze. Press this tab firmly and then pull the connector straight out to disconnect the wiring. With the tail light assembly free and the wiring disconnected, you can now access the individual light bulbs. Each bulb is typically housed in a twist lock holder. Gently twist these holders counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release them from the assembly. Then, carefully pull each bulb straight out from its socket. This is a good time to check if any bulbs need replacing. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. First, insert any new bulbs and twist their holders clockwise to secure them. Then, reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully align the tail light assembly back into its position on the vehicle. Finally, reinsert and tighten the 2 retaining screws or bolts to secure the light. Do not over-tighten them.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.